Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to enable the new Siri on iOS 27. In order to do it, you will need to get to the settings, and now you need to have an iPhone that is at least iPhone I think 15. Yes, iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, but not the basic 15 version, and then the whole 16 and 17 lineup, and if you're watching this video later, also the 18 lineup if it rolls out. Yeah, just from 15 above, despite just the standard 15, so 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Now, you also need to have iOS 27, which isn't yet rolled out to the public, to like everyone. It's now in preview version, so if you would like to install it, you can, but it's not reliable. But if you've already installed it, you can check it. You can see software update. I have iOS 27 because I have the public beta enabled. But yeah, once you have it, now you should be able to go to Siri and click on Try the New Siri. Now that button won't work or won't even be available if you have an old Apple account set up in a region that doesn't support it. So for now it is European Union. In European Union you cannot do it now yet. Probably you will be able to do it someday in the future. So you need to have you need to be in the United States or anywhere outside of European Union. Basically, I think it should work. Once you click on that, you can click on continue, then click on continue, and now it will enable the new Siri. Now I'll show you how to use it. When I press and hold on the power button or say hey Siri, then it will open this pop-up right here, and as you can see, I'll close it for now. Let's open it again. And I'll say something like about maybe let's ask about a cake recipe. Could you give me a chocolate cake recipe?
This recipe makes a classic moist chocolate cake using...
And as you can see, I can extend it to see more about it. And in the past, on old Siri, it would just disappear and it would be nowhere to be found. I'll demonstrate it on my other phone that runs iOS 26. As you can see, when I press and hold. Could you give me a chocolate cake recipe?
Do you want me to use ChatGPT?
Well, it doesn't even want to work. Okay, yeah, and at some point it would just disappear, so you would need to either screenshot it pretty quickly or copy it, because it would disappear, and that's it. But here, this time, you can ask following questions regarding what's been said, which is nice. You can also click on this button, or instead of that, you could just search for the Siri app. There's a new Siri app on your phone, and you can see now it shows me a picture of a chocolate cake. Yeah, and now I can ask it for, could you give me more exact measurements and more exact instructions?
This recipe uses 2.
Yeah, and as you can see, it shows me the rest of it, and then it can also tell me the frost. It asks me if I want frosting about it. Now, also there is, it says that I need to bake for 27 to 32 minutes. Could you set a timer for 27 minutes?
I've set a timer for 27 minutes.
And as you can see, it does it, so I can bake like that. It's pretty useful. Now I'll close that timer. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.